Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy industrial stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're focusing in on the industrial sector. We found 3 stocks that all come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street and have price targets that would imply a double-digit upside potential. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and exactly what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found today's companies using the TipRanks stock screener. Found right at the top of research tools with our stock screener, we narrowed in on the industrial sector with a strong buy analyst consensus and double-digit upside potential. As a bonus, I also wanted an outperform rating on the TipRanks Smart Score, and that gave us our list of companies down below. You can try out the TipRanks stock screener for yourself over on the TipRanks website or by downloading the mobile app. Links are in the description down below. Before we get into today's stocks, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into our 3 strong buy industrial stocks. First on our list today, we're taking a look at ITT. They trade under the ticker ITT, currently priced at $134. Year to date, the stock has climbed nearly 13%. In the last 3 months is down slightly, about 3%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment and very positive crowd wisdom. ITT manufactures and sells engineered components and customized technology solutions. These highly engineered critical components help keep the world safe, moving, and sustainable. Some of their key businesses include their transportation vertical, where their copper-free brake pads are leading the transition to electrified vehicles. In the flow market, their gold pumps and engineered valves supply leading companies in the industrial, chemical, engineer, and mining industries. And in the aerospace and defense market, their highly customized connectors and components provide innovative interconnect solutions and enhance the performance of military and commercial aircraft in advanced defense systems. At the start of August, the company did announce a new acquisition. Berman Capital will be selling their Caesarea Holdings, which is a leading producer and supplier of mission-critical connectivity solutions, to ITT for $475 million. This acquisition news coincided with the company's Q2 earnings report, where they did come out with both an earnings and revenue beat and reiterated their full-year guidance. Their second quarter earnings per share came in at $1.49, beating estimates by 3 cents per share. And they reported revenue of $910 million. They saw 9% revenue growth driven by higher sales volumes across all segments. Looking forward, the company said they continue to expect revenue growth of 9 to 12%. A few weeks ago, we did have a 5-star analyst from TD Cowen weigh in on the ITT stock. The analyst maintained a buy rating, recognizing that ITT's recent earnings were some of the most impressive within his coverage area, aligning with the company's profile as a baby compounder, a term denoting a smaller company with a strong potential for compounding growth over time. He also acknowledges the company's upward adjustment in core estimates and includes projected impacts from both divestiture and acquisition activities. With 9 current analyst ratings, the ITT stock does come in as a strong buy with 8 buy ratings and 1 hold. The average price target of $155 would imply an upside potential of over 15%. Looking at those ratings down below, we actually have a pretty close grouping of price targets, no major outliers. Our low-end price target is $150 for an upside of nearly 12%, while our high-end price target is $161 for an upside of 20%. Our second strong buy industrial stock is ATI. They trade under the ticker ATI, currently priced at $64 per share. Their stock has climbed 41% year to date and has grown another 8% in the last 3 months. They have a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity and very positive crowd wisdom. ATI is a global company that manufactures specialty components and materials. The company's products are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, corrosion, and stress, and are used in aerospace, defense, medical, and energy markets. Their products include titanium and titanium alloys, nickel-based alloys, specialty alloys, stainless steel, and more. They shared their latest earnings report on August 6th, and they did have mixed results with an earnings beat, but revenue just slightly missing by $10 million. The company did also reaffirm their future guidance. For their second quarter, they reported earnings per share of 60 cents, beating expectations by 2 cents per share, while revenue came in at $1.1 billion, just missing by $10 million, but did grow 5% from the first quarter. A 5-star analyst from KeyBank recently increased their price target on the ATI stock. They said following the Q2 results, discussion with management, and their analysis, they believe long-term cyclical growth investors will be attracted to ATI's leverage to commercial aerospace and defense recovery, enhanced by new capacity and capabilities, a leaner, more profitable AA&S segment, and emerging FCFE potential. The ATI stock does currently come in as a strong buy with 8 analyst ratings, with 7 buys and 1 hold. And the average price target of $73.29 would imply an upside potential of 14%. Looking at those recent ratings down below, on the low end we have TD Cowen at $67 for an upside of 4%, while our high-end price target comes from Deutsche Bank at $81 for an upside of 26%. And for our third industrial stock, we're taking a look at VSE. They trade under the ticker VSEC, currently priced at about $87 per share. They've climbed 35% year to date, and in the last 3 months have grown 11%. They score an 8 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment and positive technicals. VSE is a logistics and services company, providing engineering and technical support services. Through their 2 key segments, they substantially improve the productivity and lifespan of their customers' high-value, business-critical assets. Their aviation segment is a top provider of aftermarket parts distribution and maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for components and engine accessories. Meanwhile, their fleet segment focuses on parts distribution, engineering solutions, and supply chain management services tailored to the medium and heavy-duty fleet market. They shared their Q2 earnings report on July 31st, where earnings were in line with expectations and revenue came in as a beat. Q2 earnings per share of 64 cents were in line with estimates, while revenue came in at $266 million, which increased over 29%, and adjusted EBITDA of $31.3 million increased 18%. They said they delivered another milestone quarter marked by record revenue and profitability for their aviation segment. Following that quarterly report, we did have a top analyst from RBC Capital reiterate their buy rating. They increased their price target, saying that the focus for the aerospace cycle is on the health of the supply chain, the potential risk from destocking, current and planned production and delivery rates for both engines and airframes, noting that the firm continues to view the aerospace demand environment as strong, but also sees a more favorable outlook in the aftermarket. With 5 current analyst ratings, the stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy. And the average price target of $96.80 implies an upside potential of nearly 11% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, once again we have a very tight grouping. Our low end is a price target of $98 for an upside of 12%, and we have 3 all at $100 for an upside of 14%. So that is a look at 3 strong buy stocks in the industrial sector. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below, or what other stocks have caught your eye lately. I always love hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you're always sticking to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.